to him. Red Wings host Vancouver tonight. Gustav Nyquist was added to Sweden's Olympic roster today. Just 3 more games, then the focus shifts to Sochi. So Brad Galli has more on the balancing act.
3 games remain on the Red Wings schedule before the Olympics. So the players say their attention is on the 6 points up for grabs.
I think all you got to do is look at the standings. I don't know why you'd have any trouble being focused at all. Is we're in a battle for our playoff life. We understand that and know that.
The trash talking, has it started yet?
No, not at all. We got enough on our plates here and trying to, keep ourselves in the playoff race, so in the playoff picture. So we'll probably save that for later.
I'm not thinking about over there now. I just thinking come back in our team and help our team.
To go with all the Swedes in this room to go to Sochi and to represent your country in the Olympics, it's going to be something special.
When the group of Red Wings does get to Sochi, they'll be among friends. But when the puck drops, that all changes.
It's to be lots of fun and off ice, but it's on ice. It's to be more harder, and it's to be no friend.
Datsuk is one to keep an eye on this week. He hasn't played since the Winter Classic, and because of that, some fans believe he shouldn't play for his home team in Russia. The Red Wings forward said he hopes to play in 1 or 2 games this week, and beyond that with the Olympics, he said it's his decision. At the Joe, Brad Galli, 7 Action Sports.